It is Sunday, June the 29th. Canada Day long weekend if you booked off the Monday, but Canada Day is on Tuesday, and I know many people are out enjoying activities. There's plenty of activities across the country. I'm going to get you prepared here with your national forecast. The first thing to have on hand is water. Make sure you stay hydrated the next couple of days, no matter where you are across the country, because heat and humidity is on the rise. Victoria feeling more like 29 with the Humidex this afternoon. Southern portions of Manitoba feeling more like 30 with that Humidex. But as we jump ahead to Monday, many other places like central portions of Alberta, central portions of Saskatchewan, inching closer to the 30s with that Humidex value. Well, the West, Vancouver, feeling more like 33, Kelowna feeling more like 30. So make sure that you not only stay hydrated, but also stay weather aware. Well, today is looking fairly dry across British Columbia. As we head into Monday, that's when we could start to see some storms developing, specifically for the interior as well as Calgary here. Strong winds, heavy rain, and small hail could be associated with this. Also keep in mind, if you're across Manitoba or northern portions of Saskatchewan, you are also within that non-severe thunderstorm risk. Sunday afternoon, that's the highest potential to see some lightning, rumbles of thunder, even some small hail. You do get a break by Monday morning, but then by Monday afternoon, that's when we see more potential. This time, the potential further west. See here, Edmonton between Calgary. This is an area that we are watching very closely as we continue into your Monday. Here's a better look at the timing on this, and just to show you how isolated these storms are. It looks like popcorn bubbling up, so not necessarily widespread. It doesn't mean everybody's going to experience rain all at once. You could expect a shower, maybe hear some rumbles of thunder for 15-20 minutes, and then all of a sudden it could stop. It doesn't mean you're in the clear. So make sure you download the Weather Network app and stay weather aware, just to make sure that you are not in any sort of thunderstorm area of risk. As for Sunday, we're also monitoring these areas for potentially strong winds, heavy rain, and large hail. Northwestern Ontario remaining in that risk on Sunday as we have plenty of moisture on the way across Ontario in general. High moisture through the air mass could also lead to some localized flooding, which is one of the risks associated with this storm as we head into your Monday. As for Sunday, the south remains dry in Ontario, but along the shores of Georgian Bay and Lake Huron, that's when you could expect rain, and the rain continuing for your Monday, but this time with more widespread rainfall across the south, heading towards Ottawa for your Tuesday. Here's a better look, I should say, at this risk on Sunday for places that we're watching. But as we head into Monday, here's where more of that widespread risk is. The more severe potential of localized flooding, strong winds, and large hail remains along the shores of Georgian Bay and Lake Huron. As for those in Atlantic Canada, we could still see some more rain left to fall across the Maritimes on your Sunday in through Sunday evening. Cape Breton could start to experience some more rain, and by Monday afternoon, that's when Newfoundland gets more of that rain. As for your temperatures, those are also starting to heat up. As we take a look at this afternoon's conditions, Atlantic Canada, you are quite comfortable with the passage of that rain, but as we head into your Monday, you are now feeling more like 31 degrees in Halifax, Charlottetown feeling more like 27 degrees, and check out southwestern Ontario feeling more like the 40s with that Humidex value. So make sure you remain weather aware, and again, remember to stay hydrated and avoid heat-related illness.